He's proven, like, guess what? I'm pretty damn good. Guess what? Oh, I'm actually an MVP candidate. Oh, guess what? Our team is actually good enough to be in the Super Bowl. Like, all those questions, he has answered everything and answered every critic. And yet for Micah Parsons to be out here, there's no need for the bulletin board material, because especially if Jalen Hurts isn't that good, like, y'all lost to them. Like, that's the reality. Like, he could have said all that in the locker room.
Yeah.
He didn't have to go on a podcast knowing that the Eagles are going to hear this. What?
Yeah, he did.
Don't discourage my man from talking.
You know what, Mike?
I gotta be honest. I think Micah Parsons is wrong, but I love when they talk that talk. Talk that talk if you want to, Micah.
That's the other thing. Like, I mean, I've been covering the sport a really long time. I've yet to find a defensive player who was afraid to say anything, right?
That's true.
Well,
That's
what's
true.
he afraid
That's
of?
true.
Like, what's going to happen? I mean, if it gets spun bad, it gets spun bad.
I don't believe in bulletin board material. Like, the Eagles aren't going to try harder now because Micah Parsons said
No,
that.
come on, Don. You're not keeping it a buck, though, man. We all listen. Every player wants to win, and most players that are good are motivated by internal motivation more than external motivation. But make no mistake about it, every player in the NFL wants their respect.
Yeah.
And what Micah Parsons should do is go back and take a look at that Giants film from Sunday in MetLife. 4th and 7.
Yeah.
In the first half of that game, seven-point lead by the Eagles. They decided to go for it on a plus 41. And, gee, it wasn't like they were throwing sticks routes or a hitch.
Right.
They threw a doggone go ball into double coverage. That just shows you the level that this team is executing at, but more so the confidence that the Eagles have.
I understand that. And no one is trying to downplay, well, maybe we are, a little bit what the Eagles have accomplished this year.
Sure.
But the only thing I'll say is, as I look over the schedule they've played so far this season, my general feeling is it looks a lot like Michigan's preseason schedule.
Wow,
Before Michigan went in the conference.
Wow.
They haven't played, that's not their fault. They don't schedule the teams they play. What I'm saying is when they go to Dallas a week from Saturday night, it'll be the most interesting game of the NFL season to this point. And what if Micah Parsons, like last time they played each other, Cooper Kupp was the quarterback, and I meant that on purpose. Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.